What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Spare Change. Today's a special day. I've got two brand new SVS SB-4000 subwoofers. This time, instead of the oak veneer that I picked up on the PB16 version, I went for the gloss black. This is gonna be kind of like in a centralized area in the family room in the basement. So it's gotta look a little bit better. You're gonna see it. The gloss finish looks a little bit more premium. Looks more like art in your living room. Should make that significant other of yours a little bit more happier. So let's get to it. I'm gonna give you a quick little equipment tour of the downstairs theater, and then we're gonna unpack the subwoofers, do a quick little setup, and then we're gonna give you our thoughts on how good these things sound.
The SB-4000s come double boxed with convenient handles. The sub is wrapped in plastic and a soft cloth covering it to prevent scratches. That's a stiff cone. Now for some tech specs. On the front is a dimmable bright blue LCD display. The driver size is 13.5 inches with a frequency response of 19 to 310 Hz. It has a Sledge 1200 watt Class D amp with 4000 watts of peak power. On the rear, you get XLR and RCA inputs and outputs. I'll be pairing the subs with a pair of B&W CM10 S2s up front with a CM Center S2 center channel speaker. Powering the front is the XPA3 amp by Emotiva. It's rated at 300 watts per channel. This will be hooked up to a Denon X4300H and Oppo 203 4K Blu-ray player.
Alright, so in the packaging, we have the instruction manuals. They also give us a little tiny credit card size remote, maybe a little bit like a half-size credit card remote. We also get a power adapter as well. We're gonna hook this up. We're gonna listen to a couple scenes from Power Rangers and give you our initial thoughts. Alright, so just a quick listening test. As you know, our favorite movie over here on the channel is Power Rangers. We popped it in, you saw the driver excursion on that thing. Alright, so these are replacing two Martin Logan ML1000W subwoofers, which had two 10-inchers in there. These have 13.5 subwoofers in them. Immediately, heavier slam. You could feel it in your body a lot more. Everything is just a lot cleaner, a lot tighter sounding. We've got some, I've got some shot glasses up on the windowsill there. They almost fell over, they almost broke. Rumbling the walls here. But like I said, these are sealed woofers. These are sealed subs, so you're kind of missing that little extra low-end rumble, maybe like that ultrasonic frequency that you might feel in your skin if you have like a ported subwoofer. So you're missing kind of that, but you do get a lot of heavy slam on it though. Real nice, tight, rich bass to it. This is just initial listening to it. I still have to tweak it. We still got to go in, maybe run some REW, if you guys are familiar with that. That's Room EQ. So I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna run the Odyssey as well. I also have that Odyssey Pro app. I'm gonna try that out with these subs. I've been waiting to try that out. But again, upon initial listening, excellent investment. These things are $15.99 a piece for the gloss ones, $14.99 for the black oak veneers. But guys, stay tuned. I also have the PB16 on hand. That's in the theater room. That thing sounds excellent as well. I know I didn't give you guys an initial impression on that. I just did an unboxing on that, but that's on a different scale. These are fantastic, very musical sounding subs. The larger one, if you guys are really in home theater, you want that theatrical sound, you want your body and your heart to rumble and your ears to bleed, then you're gonna get the 16-incher. So that's coming out very shortly. Again, thanks again for checking out the video. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Check out our social media links down below. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys again in the next video.